Hey Paco, how's your day going?
Doing great, Jeff.
Excellent. What are you drinking there today?
Coffee.
Oh, you do not need coffee. You're too wound up. I had tea. You can have that.
Excellent. Hi, my name is Paco and I'm with Genpro Advanced Technologies.
And I'm Jeff with Genpro Energy Solutions.
So Jeff, tell me a little more about Genpro Energy Solutions.
Genpro Energy Solutions is a vertically integrated energy technology company. And what is Genpro Tech?
We're an engineering and manufacturing company.
Well, that's excellent. Let's take a little of our knowledge and educate our audience.
Excellent. Hi, my name is Francisco Palop and I am with Genpro Advanced Technologies.
And my name's Jeff and I'm with Genpro Energy Solutions.
And today we're going to talk about 3 different LED technologies that you should consider when replacing fluorescent tubes. So let's start with a device that looks very much like a standard tube. Okay. This, however, has an LED strip going all the way across. And one of the things you need to consider, however, when you look at this, is whether you want an LED tube that has a built-in ballast or use the existing ballast from the fixture.
So if I have a fixture with a bad ballast, I could buy a tube with a ballast in it, take the ballast out, pop this tube in, and I'm good to go.
The key, however, is that you need to disconnect the ballast from the existing fixture. So typically what we would recommend is that you buy a tube that has a built-in ballast and disconnect the ballast from your existing fixture.
That seems pretty easy.
Very simple, very easy to use. However, if you want something that is easy to install and you don't have to be concerned about whether to disconnect the ballast, whether to buy a tube with a ballast.
And I'm not worried about aesthetics necessarily.
Exactly. You can actually use a magnetic retrofit kit. These are actually very simple. You actually take the tubes out, disconnect them from power, and you bring these magnetic strips, place them wherever you want to use them. The power supply actually also comes with magnetic strips, so that you can actually retrofit this within minutes. You can buy these with a diffuser or with one without. Okay?
Well, the nice thing about that is if I have a fixture in my garage that I don't want to replace, I could, in minutes, probably pop that in.
That's right. That's right. And these are available in 25 watts, 40 watts, and 50 watts.
So depending on my light brightness that I'd like.
There you go. And they come in different color temperatures as well.
Okay.
Now, here's something very interesting. This is an integrated tube. It's an integrated fixture with a tube. And as you can see, it has a metal surface. And it has basically an LED strip all the way across, very uniform lighting. One of the benefits of this, however, is that you can daisy chain. So each one of these devices comes with a little adapter here.
So I can basically make it as long as I'd like.
Very much so. And we also have the option where there's a cable, so if you don't want them connected one side by side and you want them every so often, there's a cable connection that you can use as well. Okay. One of the benefits of this is that it's very aesthetically pleasing, so it's ideal for a new construction.
Or I say I got a bad spot in a room that I'd like a little more light, that would be easy to put in.
Ideal. Okay. Ideal. So here you have it, 3 different solutions that you can use very easily that would allow you to replace a fluorescent tube.
That's great information. Now, I know that in, say, cold situations, sometimes the heat's off in the garage, you go turn the lights on with fluorescent tubes. They do not want to light.
And there's a delay.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Do I have that issue with LED?
You do not have that issue with LEDs. In fact, that is a common denominator across all these LED fixtures. You have an instant turn on.
So basically their cold start is non-existent.
That's correct.
So turn it on and you're good to go.
That's right. Great questions, Jeff.
Great information.
All right, folks, if you want additional information, please visit our website at genprotech.com or please send us an email at info@genprotech.com.
Thank you for your time today.